Hey everyone, Hashu from hashtag and welcome back to my channel. Day by day, new information about Huawei P40 series are racing on the internet. Again, there are no rumors suggesting that the P40 Pro will get its quad curved display from Samsung and LG. Earlier, I also told you the quad curved display, which means all four sides are curved design. Previously, Huawei buys displays from BOE, a Chinese manufacturer, but it's kicked out with the issue the company had with some screens on their Mate 20 Pro. Huawei P40 packing a dual punch hole camera design in the upper left corner of the display also had up a large water-fast 6.5-inch OLED screen, which will feature a refresh rate of 120Hz and 2K plus resolution. P40 will have a total of 5 cameras. The primary camera will 48 or 64 megapixel, also include a secondary ultra-wide angle lens, a telephoto lens, a super telephoto lens with a 5x or 10x optical zoom, and finally either a macro lens or depth sensor. The successor of the P30 Pro should first come with at least 4000 mAh battery, also have a 50-watt fast charging technology developed by Huawei, further powered by Kirin 990 SoC with a 5G modem. Also, I hope that we will see HMS soon on Huawei and Honor smartphones for global versions. Earlier week it was revealed that most of the main apps for HMS such as map, payment, messaging and gaming will be finished by the end of December. Huawei faced challenges last year following the United States decision to place it on the entity list and also lost Google Movie service. Another interesting is Huawei has made 80% growth in 2019. Let me know your thoughts about the Huawei P40 series in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates about the Huawei P40 series. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkar from hashtag.